Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get consistent character, consistent design using Nano Banana Pro. If you have been struggling with trying to be consistent with your creation in Nano Banana, not just Nano Banana, in any other AI generator, I am going to show you how to fix that today. This isn't really going to focus more on creating, but it's going to focus more on showing you how to get consistent generation whenever you generate with AI. So the first thing you want to do is to have a master prompt. When you have a master prompt, you will be able to modify that prompt to give you what you want. So I already have a master prompt. So we are going to use that master prompt to create our first generation, and we are going to modify that master prompt to give us something similar to what we have before. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Higgsfield AI and select the Nano Banana Pro. I have already prepared my prompts now. I am going to leave the prompt in the comment section so that you can copy it and use it to try out what you want to do. So my first prompt is African female tech influencer, mid-20s, smooth deep brown skin tone, and so on. So what I'm going to do is to copy that first prompt, which is a master prompt. I'm going to take this away, highlight this, and hit on Control V to paste this. Now, all these settings, you need to be familiar with all these settings. If you have watched my other videos, you will be familiar with the settings at this point. So I'm just going to hit on generate, and let's see what we are going to get. Okay, so take a look at this. One is still generated, but let's take a look at it. So now let's read our prompts completely so that we know what we are dealing with here. African female tech influencer, mid-20s, smooth deep brown skin tone, overface, neatly braided hair pulled back, natural makeup, confident and friendly expression, wearing a fitted blue blazer over a white top, minimal jewelry, professional posture, modern tech brand personality. So take a look at this. This is exactly what we want. Now, if you want to change it, maybe you want this to be more brand like, how are you going to do it? Now, you need to add a little modification. So, a modification like after adding this one you have here, you can just add another prompt to that. So you can paste this. Now you can see clean commercial photography style, minimal studio background, dominant blue and white color palette, soft studio lighting, shadow depth of field, premium tech advertisement blue, ultra high detail, realistic texture, professional brand photography. Now, we want this same influencer that's mid-20s to represent a brand. You can see that we maintain the master prompt, but we just add something. So let's hit on generate. Okay, take a look at this. You can see, you really see what is going on right here. You can see that we have the same name of the brand we have here, Technovate Africa, Technova, whatever it is here. I know that's AI issue, but take a look at this. You can really see that we still have the same character. You see, this and this really look alike. It's more the same. Now we have more of a professional photo tailored into the brand experience. So you can see with this one prompt, you just modify these prompts to give you something that you want. So What if you want something else? What if you want something like social media or so on? How are you going to do it? You are still going to replace that same prompt. So let's highlight this and delete it and hit on Control V. And this time around, social media content creators like bright natural lighting, clean indoor studio setup, friendly and engaging mood, sharp focus, high contrast, vibrant ports, controlled colors, modern influencer photography slash thumbnail ready composition. Now let's hit on generate. Okay, so now let's go back to this. Social media content creator style. Bright natural lighting, clean indoor studio setup, friendly and engaging mood, sharp, focused, high contrast, vibrant but controlled color, modern influencer photography, thumbnail ready. Take a look at all this. Feels more like a content creator that's in the studio trying to explain one thing or the other. You can see the phone in her hand. You can also see the ring light right here, the ring light right here. Now take a look at this. So this is our original. This is our original photo of our influencer, our tech influencer, and then we create a brand related photo of this same influencer, which is really looking more professional. And then we create a content creator of this same brand, a content creator of this same influencer. Now, not everything are consistent, like this is a little bit different, but this one here match with the same influencer we have right here. So this is it, my friend. This is how you can create a consistent influencer or creating a design or so on. This is about showing you how to be consistent with your prompt. If your prompt is not consistent, there is no way you can get a consistent generation whenever you are trying to generate with AI or whatever it is you want to generate. If it's video, if it's design, if it's character, if it's anything in particular, there is no way you are going to get a consistent character if you don't know how to modify your prompt. There is one last one. I'm going to leave that prompt in the comment section for you to go ahead and try it out yourself. And also take my prompts, modify it, generate your prompt, modify it to use it in different ways. That is really going to help you stay consistent. If this video really helped you, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Not just the subscribe button, ring the bell icon so that you, my friend, don't miss any new tips and tricks I'll be posting, and we'll see you guys in my next video, and make sure that you stay creative.